Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions without pulling your hair out. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums and mops. On the left, we have the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop, and on the right, the HONITURE Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo G20. Let's see which one of these bad boys will make your life easier and your floors cleaner. Alright, first things first. Let's talk money, honey. The Tikom comes in at a cool $299. Not too shabby, right? But hold on to your wallets because the HONITURE is priced at just $199. That's a whole $100 less. You can take that extra cash and buy yourself something nice, like a year's supply of instant noodles. Reviewers appreciate that the HONITURE offers great value for its price, while the Tikom, though pricier, is also seen as a worthy investment. Now, let's see how they scrub a dub-dub. Tikom offers a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping feature with an electronically controlled water pump. Fancy? Meanwhile, HONITURE is a 3-in-1 vacuum, mop, and sweep machine. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. HONITURE even claims to reduce cleaning time by 30%. That's more time for you to binge-watch cat videos on YouTube. Priorities, people. According to reviewers, both products are praised for their versatility, but HONITURE's additional sweeping function slightly edges out Tikom. Let's talk about who's got the stronger biceps. Suction power. Tikom rocks a respectable 2700 PA suction, which is like having a mini tornado in your living room. But HONITURE is here to show off with a whopping 4000 PA. It's like the Hulk of robot vacuums. If dirt was Thanos, HONITURE would snap it out of existence. Many reviewers highlight HONITURE's impressive suction power as a major plus. Navigation time. Tikom uses gyroscope smart navigation to follow a zigzag path, improving cleaning efficiency by 30%. But HONITURE is not just following any path, it's also got intelligent gyroscope navigation with 4 cleaning modes. It's like the GPS of robot vacuums, minus the annoying recalculating voice. According to reviews, both navigation systems are effective, but HONITURE's multiple cleaning modes provide additional flexibility. Battery life. Tikom will auto-return to its charging station when the battery is low. HONITURE, on the other hand, boasts a 150-minute long battery life. That's like watching Avengers Endgame twice, with some popcorn making time in between. And yes, it also auto-returns to recharge. Reviewers note that HONITURE's longer battery life is a significant advantage, especially for larger spaces, while Tikom's auto-return feature is appreciated for convenience. Both vacuums can be controlled via an app, voice commands, or remote control. Tikom can connect to Alexa and Google Home, and has 5 cleaning modes. HONITURE, however, is also compatible with Alexa and boasts a slim 7.6 centimeters height to get under furniture. Plus, it has a magnetic strip to keep it out of places you don't want it to go, like your secret snack stash. Reviewers appreciate the ease of control for both devices, but HONITURE's slim design and magnetic strip are seen as added bonuses. Lastly, let's talk support. Tikom comes with boundary strips to set no-go areas, but HONITURE takes it up a notch with a 2-year warranty, 6-month return policy, and lifetime technical support. They even provide a full set of accessories, ready to use out of the box. It's like getting a robot vacuum and a lifetime membership to the We've Got Your Back Club. Reviewers commend HONITURE for its exceptional customer service and extensive support, while Tikom's boundary strips are seen as useful but not as comprehensive. Summarizing the reviews, Tikom is praised for its effective cleaning, smart navigation, and overall reliability. However, some users note that it struggles on carpets and has a shorter battery life. HONITURE receives high marks for its powerful suction, multifunctionality, and excellent customer service. Its slim design and extensive warranty are also appreciated, though some users mention initial difficulties with mapping. So which one should you buy? If you're looking for super suction power and extra features at a lower price, HONITURE might be your new best friend. But if you're into high-tech navigation and don't mind spending a bit more, Tikom is a solid choice. Either way, your floors are going to be so clean you could eat off them, though we don't recommend it. That's all for today, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it smart and keep it clean.